Good morning to all of you. In previous video I discussed about the new laws and from where the laws has been enacted and who's enacted the Indian Penal Code and CRPCs, who drafted, in which year drafted. In previous videos all of the important topics I discussed, and I also tell you that in next video I will tell you about the sections of the new laws, that what sections changed in the new Major Act. So first of all, the main the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023 Criminal Procedure Code. First of all, a complaint is issued before the honorable court, before the magistrate, according to the in CRPC code 200, but in Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita new laws it has been changed. So there is a section 175 clause 3 magistrate complaint. When any complaint is under the table of the magistrate according to the sections 175 clause 3. Private complaint before magistrate 155 clause 2. Then warrant case, then examination of the complaint 223, issue of process 227, and accused and appearance of bail is also defined in the sections. So this is the private complaint before the magistrate sections are defined. In police station, suppose I have a case and I have to I also discussed about the zero FIRs in previous video. You can say, अगर आप मेरे वीडियो के पीछे वीडियो में जाएंगे तो आप देखेंगे प्रीवियस वीडियो में मैंने बोला था ज़ीरो FIR के बारे में, जो आपको पुलिस स्टेशन में होता है. तो पुलिस स्टेशन FIR CRPC 154 में है. पुलिस स्टेशन FIR 173 में चार्जशीट होता है, इंक्वायरी होता है, और फिर अरेस्ट और प्रोडक्शन of accused under the section of 54 before magistrate. Arrest and production of accused under the section of 58 before the magistrate. और फिर उसके बाद PCR 187 होता है. फिर प्रोसिक्यूशन का भी उसी में होता है 23 क्लॉज 2. फिर कन्फेशन 183. इस सारी चीज़ें बिफोर मजिस्ट्रेट के पास मिलती है. फिर उसके बाद आपका बेल होता है. बेल हो जाता है 483 में. इन्वेस्टिगेशन होती है. चार्जशीट 193 में. प्ली बार्गेनिंग, प्ली द केस विच यू talk before the magistrate, that is called a plea bargaining. Plea bargaining means what? Plea bargaining means a pleader which you talk and save you before the magistrate, and he will tell you your mistake and facts before the magistrate. This is called the plea bargaining. 289 भारतीय नागरिक सुरक्षा संहिता 2023 new law. When there is a discharge of the final report, what is final report? After 193, the section is 193 final report. Then notice to the complaint, protest and private complaint. Notice to the private complaint. Then after the judgment, summary case, substances of execution 274, evidence of prosecution 274, evidence of 277, prosecution statement defined in 351, argument judgment 278, 1 clause 2. Then summary cases, warrant case, framing of charges 263, evidence of prosecution 300, statement 351, if not discharged 269, defense evidence, argument, judgment. Whole complaint is up. Then you understand